All right, guys, we are super excited to have you here with us today. We've been reading the comments, and we saw you guys were like, just skate a regular board, just skate a regular board, just skate a regular board. So here we have a game of skate on a regular board.
Yeah.
Something tells me that's not true.
Ow! That could have been my retina. This is the Post Malone board.
So we're gonna do a game of skate on. Is this stupid skate? Is this you make it, we skate it? Is this we make it, we skate
This
it?
is don't try this at home.
Don't try this at home. Please never try this at home. This is probably one of the worst ideas we've ever had. So just never do it. You
This
ready?
is
Russian boat.
Arrogant skate.
Oh my god, I hooked onto my pants.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Anything counts.
Board hurts already.
Before we get into this game of skate, guess how many screws are in this board? Leave it in the comments below, hashtag notification squad, and we will pick the winner and give them a prize.
Here we are on a lovely Saturday afternoon. Let's get it.
We need a judge.
I'm just putting my shoes back on because I had my bare feet on that board, and it was the scariest thing I've ever done in my entire life.
I skated the nail board. This isn't scary.
Oh, so scary! It's so scary!
I feel like I want to make myself lose.
After the game of skate on flat, they're gonna skate it off the 5. Stay tuned.
This is causing sweat glands, dude.
It almost makes you skate better, because if you fall, you're dead.
Way to stick it to the man.
Ow.
Is it my turn? Oh, that makes me want to bomb it.
No trespassing.
This is terrifying. I feel like I'm gonna flick and one of the little needle things is gonna go like this, stick up, and I'm gonna land on it.
Oh no.
Irubix said, I'm really on the fence about this one.
Oh no. I'm okay with just falling down, not on that board.
I don't like this board more than I don't like spiders.
Why is everyone so scared?
No, Petty, no.
He got me on a tray flip. Normally I land that, but I'm not worried about the trick. I'm worried about my life right now, so.
Straight up life on the line. How did you do that, Petty Potter? Oh, I can't, no, cannot, won't.
Can't stop, won't stop.
I literally flipped it and the hood like went in front of my eyes and my whole life flashed before it. Born, Braille, dead. If you guys follow us on social media, you can get up in the video. So right here we said, Lysity said, why are you not committing?
Oh, okay.
Time to take everybody down.
I'm starting to get over it now. Fear's like, hey, you're scared. And the other guy's like, nah, you got this.
The only part of this board I'm afraid of is watching Daniel skate it.
The only part I'm afraid of is me skating it too. Why are we skating this?
I mean, you gotta admit the grip's pretty good.
It's like mom, but extreme.
Have you guys seen A Quiet Place? You know what I'm talking about.
Oh, God.
Fetty is such a freak with boards like this. He has no letters.
Oh, I guess I get another try. Well, I'm safe.
That was beautiful. If you saw him on the nail board, now see him on this, it's his natural habitat. Woo! Wow. How does he do it?
Defense.
Offense.
I got one for when I'm on offense.
Jonathan Robles Felix said views will spike with this board.
He got a letter. I didn't think it would happen.
So you're telling me there's a chance?
The dirt, the dirt.
This is a great
That's
game.
amazing.
Hey all.
I actually think the barbed wire makes it a little easier because it like really latches on and then just flicks right away. Interference.
It's really coming down to the wire on this one, courtesy of Coopstar 61002.
It was flipping so slow, I wasn't sure if I should stick it or not. So made my heart drop.
Fire back.
Oh, that one stuck to my shoe.
It's about time I could take this barbed wire offense.
Oh, got him. This should be like a promo video for FP insoles right here.
Well lived.
You're already going for the tray revert?
I was like, I might not get another chance at this. I got a tray revert right now.
Negan would not approve.
Dang it, I was hoping I would have got a letter on that.
Hey. It's like I'm actually playing Gabe at Skate. I literally felt it poke through the top of my shoe.
I told you not to go there.
There it goes.
End of the video. I didn't really commit, but had I committed, I would have landed.
See, that really was your one chance.
It really was. Dang it.
Barblos Blastra.
Count it.
It like stuck into my heel.
That's why they call you Barblos.
They don't call him Barblos for no reason.
Complete stop.
This close.
Oh, jeez.
What?
Well, it was a good game, boys.
I mean, it was defense. I mean,
Redo. One full spin.
Pink Pixie says, guess his skills are pretty sharp.
murder!
5 months since I've been able to double flip on flat.
We found his weakness, double flips.
The board just doesn't do it anymore.
It's also my toes weakness is double flips.
Chickened out right at the last second.
They know my weakness.
What?
I hate him. Hate him. Dang.
R Dunn SB said that board looks barbaric.
No photos, please. Wow, that hurts my back for some reason. It's the end of the line for me. I'm barbed out.
Ow!
Either way, that was a really fun game, dude. You did
Yes,
good.
now it's time to skate.
Let's get to 5.
It just bounces straight into
Like
his
it's about to go up
long
his
barb.
It's amazing. Wow.
I believe in the lead.
We'll do one more, then we'll end it with his nose slide. How about that?
No slide, then let's end it. Just be careful though, because when we're making it, there's
Yeah, this one up here.
yeah, that one. That one. I just see that tearing this apart.
We need the wax.
The Braille wax, huh?
Available online right now. That is the greatest noise in the history of man. It must be done.
Wow.
Are you feeling okay?
I shaved my leg. The box got me, folks. Yeah, the box. Yeah.
All right, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had an absolute blast making it, and yeah, we're all alive. We all survived the barbed wire
We all
board.
won this game.
I like the nail board better.
One video, we all win.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you yourself, yes, you are having a blast learning how to skate. Go to brailleskateboarding.com for all of the skateboard related gear and anything you need to learn how to skateboard, including these rad new shirts that we just got made.
You could get this complete too, just without the barbed wire.
Truth.
Barbed wire not included.
So we hope you guys had a blast watching this video. Definitely check out all of the other videos. We have a ton. There's a whole playlist. There's about 3,000 videos. You know, no big deal. We'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment below.